To change keyboard on any Samsung device, first of all navigate to your Play Store application right here and tap on search, and right here search for keyboard. And once you will search for keyboard, you will see multiple keyboards right here. You can download any keyboard you want. In my case, I will download this Google keyboard. Just tap on install and your installation will be begin. Once the installation is completed, just go back and navigate to your settings application. Tap on settings, scroll down until you find general management. There is general management, just tap on that right here and tap on keyboard, and right here you can see Gboard, which I just downloaded. Just enable this toggle and tap on OK. And once you have done that, just tap on default keyboard and select Gboard, the new keyboard you have just downloaded. So that's how you can easily change the keyboard on any Samsung device. Now let's test the new keyboard. And right here you can see the new keyboard just popped up. So that's how you can easily change the keyboard on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.